The city of Kumano, located at the southern tip of Mie Prefecture, is riddled with untouched nature and legends from ancient times. Let us introduce you to this beautiful hidden gem.
Hi everyone, today we're going to explore Onigajo, a truly spectacular looking rockfall formation in the southern part of Mie.
Now this is one of several World Heritage Sites in Mie, and we have Yamasaki-san, who is also our guide on the Kumano Kodo, to show us around.
Onigajo, a scenic coastal spot in Mie Prefecture, was registered as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2004 as part of the sacred sites and pilgrimage routes in the Key Mountain Range. Located at the southern end of the coastline that starts in Iseshima, the attraction of this place is a large quay with 1.2 kilometers of large and small caves carved by the rough ocean waves. There is also a promenade along the coast, where you can enjoy a magnificent view of the sea. At the top of the mountain are the ruins of a castle from the Warring States period, and there is a hiking trail that connects to the Kumano Kodo and Matsumoto Pass. In spring, the area is famous for its cherry blossoms, and since there are 4 types of cherry trees planted here, they bloom one after the other, making it a popular place for locals. Even though there's a fence, it's quite a thrill to walk next to the waves. It's time for lunch.
So we're at the Ristorante Marina, which has a really beautiful view. You can sit outside on the terrace and enjoy your lunch. So I'm having the tuna and red snapper rice bowl.
And I'm having the local Kumano chicken stir fry.
All right, bon appetit. Itadakimasu.
Ristorante Marina offers meals made with fresh ingredients and many souvenirs on the first floor. It's hard to beat enjoying a meal while looking at a beautiful view of the sea. By the way, Onigajo is not the only attraction in Kumano City. Yamasaki-san will introduce a few more spots, starting with Shishiwa. What do you think? Does it look like a lion?
This rock looks like the head of a roaring lion,
looking out to the Pacific Ocean. So it is called the Lion Rock. So it is 25 meters high and 210 meters around. This is a natural monument and it is created by many years of wave and wind erosion.
Next up is the Hana no Iwaya Shrine, located by the sea in Kumano City.
Some say this is the oldest shrine in Japan. Its history dates back to the days of myth and legend. The people in this area faithfully continue the traditions. They feel the importance of this ancient place of worship. Shinto originates from nature worship. Ancient Japanese people believed that deities lived in the mountains, rivers, waterfalls, and rocks. In this case, the god resides in the rock itself. So, the story is told one of Japan's oldest book of history and mythology. It goes like this. Long, long ago, a god named Izanagi and his wife, a goddess named Izanami, created the islands of Japan. Then they had many children, who were also deities. When Izanami gave birth to Kagutsuchi, the god of fire, she burned to death, and the child also died soon after. They were buried here. This bigger rock is her gravestone, Izanami, and the smaller one over here is the gravestone of Kagutsuchi, the fire deity.
Upon entering the shrine, you are likely to feel a very mystical atmosphere. Let's pay our respects in Shinto style. If you visit Kumano, you can't miss Shichirimihama Beach.
Shichirimihama Beach selected as one of the 100 most beautiful seashores in Japan. It is about 22 kilometers long. So, beautiful.
Looking out at the beautiful ocean reminded me of all the fun we had in Kumano.
So I really enjoyed today. I got to see something so unique.
Definitely something I've never seen before. I really liked the path that went right along the edge of the rock face and got you right up close to the ocean. Almost like you were going to fall over the edge at times, but you were safe with the barrier there.
Just don't look over the edge. But you can really imagine back in the day, there's a legend that pirates used to live there. Imagine kind of hiding in the rock face, and yeah, it's pretty fascinating stuff. It's a bit out of the way from everything else, but it's well worth the visit if you make your way out.
Make sure you don't miss out on a visit to Kumano and its beautiful seaside nature.